Guess what mommy has? Cookies! Cookies! Yay! Let's go make them. Come on. Mommy's bringing out this big pan. So we got the Toll House chocolate chip, 12 cookies, 2 inches apart on ungreased baking sheet. Bake for 11 to 12 minutes or until golden brown. So we're gonna open these up. Okay, and they come in little chunks. Nyla, stop screaming like that, please. Look. You see mommy laying the cookies? See? These are not breaking off very evenly. Oh my gosh. What are you doing, girl? Cookies, yeah. Yeah, yummy. So, Nyla, these have to... Yeah. Nyla, they have to cook, okay? What? Yeah, they have to cook, okay? So, look. Do you see? Yeah. You see these cookies? They have to go in the oven first. Back up. Yeah, back up because it's hot. Ready? Going in. Good job. Oh, they're done. Look at that. Cookie. Cookie. Yay. Yay. Cookie. Cookie. It's a cookie. You gonna feed it to your snail? And we're gonna leave some out for Santa. Let's get the milk. Ready for some milk? Alright, it's time to go night-night. You get your presents in the morning. Night. Say night-night. Night-night, night-night.